thought I'd make a quick tutorial showing how to make a repeating brush in Photoshop. So I'm going to start out with a shape in case I want to scale it later. And I'm going to give this a fill and a stroke. I'm really making this for storyboarding. So let's do this. Let's set this one here and this one here. Can't join them. No, let's just proceed. Give these a fill. Something like that. And then I think what you do is you do, actually we can delete these, we don't need those. Do these. Actually, that's probably all we want. So we want that. Let's move these down here so they match the red, so I know that I'm getting all that correct. Is that right? No, that's not correct. Well, so how do we do this? So what we're going to do is we're going to take these at the bottom, move these up here, because we need a repeating pattern. And then we're going to do the same thing on the other side, up to here. Is that the same if I do it that way? And then move it down to there. I think it is, it's just yeah, I think that's right. Yeah, we need to change these. That. We need to change these. Probably should have grouped these before, so I wouldn't have to do this twice. Dog chewing in the background. Okay, so let's see here. Actually, we don't want to emboss that. We want to emboss just one of them and apply it. So do bevel and emboss. And then copy layer style. Paste layer style. Voila. And we're going to turn this off. Convert to smart object. And then I think what we do is we go into our channels. Let's see if I remember how to do this. And do command click, and that'll give us the grayscale, and then come make a new layer. This, we don't need this anymore. Whoops. Take the inverse and fill it with black. Now I think if we copy that, let's see here. I don't do this a lot, so there might be a better way to do this, but it will get us, this should get it done. All right, oh, shoot. Nope. Nope. There we go. All right, and then we do I think we do copy, and then we do okay, define brush preset, and then we make a new layer and select. Yeah, that's it. And then what we need to do is we need to come under our brush palette and do spacing. And under shape dynamics, we're going to do angle direction. And that's still not right. And the reason it's not right is that I should have, whoops. Yeep. I should have done it like that. Now we got something. And we move this down, and voila. That's it. We do new brush preset. Include tool settings, include color. Sure. Yeah. And so now we may have microtubule action. Is that right? There's something a little funny in there. But didn't I make it exactly like it was? Let me see here. Yeah, that's how they have it in Wikipedia. So, any complaints, please submit them to Wikipedia. That's it. So that's how we made our microtubule brush, and then I like my brushes set to thumbnail. You can set that up here. And you get that by control clicking. And it's just brush stroke. And then I have everything else turned off. And then I think you can move these. Can you move these? Yeah, you can move these around now. They didn't used to let you move them, but you can move them now. It's pretty useful. And I got one here for a lipid bilayer and stuff like that. And I think I'll make another one of these that doesn't have the embossing, just has gray circles, because that's a little busy. I can do that without that. Nothing new, it's just the same process. And that's it.